How to convert an RGB image to numpy array. I have an RGB image. I want to convert it to numpy array. I did the following. It creates an array with no shape. I assume it is a image object.
You can use newer opencv Python interface. If I'm not mistaken, it is available since opencv 2.2. It natively uses numpy arrays. Result.
Pill, Python imaging library, and numpy work well together. I use the following functions. The image.fr array is a little ugly because I clip incoming data to 0,255, convert to bytes, then create a grayscale image. I mostly work in gray. An RGB image would be something like
You can also use matplotlib for this. Output, class numpy.array.
As of today, your best bet is to use. You'll see image will be a numpy array of type.
Please consider